If you thought supercars had reached their peak, think again. The 2025 Pagani Huayra BC is here to blow your mind. A machine that blurs the line between art and engineering, the Huayra BC isn't just fast, it's a full-on symphony of speed, design, and raw Italian emotion. Let's start with what powers this beast. Under the carbon fiber skin lies a handcrafted 6.0-liter twin-turbocharged V12 engine sourced from AMG. It cranks out an earth-shaking 791 horsepower and 774 lb-ft of torque. The sound? Absolutely ferocious. It doesn't just rev, it screams. And with a lightweight chassis tipping the scales at just over 2,700 pounds, the BC rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 3 seconds. Top speed? Well, north of 220 miles per hour. This is hypercar territory, and the BC rules it with flair. Aerodynamics play a starring role. The aggressive front splitter, massive rear diffuser, active aero flaps, and signature rear wing are all functional, not just for show. They create serious downforce, keeping the Huayra BC planted at speed and razor-sharp in corners. Every scoop, vent, and edge is sculpted with precision, like a piece of moving art built for the track. Step inside and you're greeted by a cockpit that blends luxury with motorsport inspiration. Exposed carbon fiber, milled aluminum switches, leather, and Alcantara all come together in a design that's unlike anything else. The attention to detail is jaw-dropping. This is Pagani, after all. The BC isn't just about straight-line speed. It's a driver's car through and through. The 7-speed automated manual transmission delivers brutal, mechanical shifts. The steering is laser-precise. And the whole chassis responds like it's reading your mind. The 2025 Pagani Huayra BC is more than a car, it's a statement. A tribute to what happens when passion meets perfection. And in the world of hypercars, it's a king wearing a carbon fiber crown.